welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you want all the deets, then stay tuned. Okay, love, so this wig comes courtesy from Zury Hollywood. It's from their Sis Sister Wig collection. It's from their Sis Sister Wig line. It's from their Sassy Razor Chic collection. It is a hand-tied, high heat of 400 degrees wig, so you can put heat on it. It has a 4-inch side hand-tied part, which is over here, if you can see it. Probably not, but it's over there. And it is in the style Sassy RCH Dean. So this is the style the model is wearing. I just so happen to have it in Some RT Charcoal. So let's just jump right into my feelings about the wig. So the model is actually wearing it in Some RT Burgundy. And let's just say I would have preferred her color. So yeah, this charcoal color, I don't think it's working for me, okay? If you guys can see, it has dark gray highlights or whatever in the front. And then it's like black, I think. Like it has gray right here and it has some black, and I feel like this wig is aging me, you know, like I don't feel young and hip. Especially not saying that, but yeah, I feel like no matter how I try to part the curls or however I try to lay the curls, I feel like I look older, and I don't necessarily like that. Like I'm a young tenderoni, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I just don't know what to do with the curls. But I feel like if I would have received it in a different color, then, you know, I would have loved it. Because I did like it when I first saw it on the model. I did like it. And I was like, oh, I like that color. But in charcoal, I'm not feeling it. And so I think because it's just making me look older, you know. And if y'all have seen my natural hair, y'all know that I'm already gray. Like when I tell y'all, like my whole right here in the front, it's gray, like it's gray. And I don't mean like this kind of gray, I mean that white, bright white, like yeah, my hair is gray. So I don't need a wig to remind me like that your hair is already gray, you know what I'm saying? So this just wouldn't be my cup of tea. Maybe in a longer wig I might wear it, but as far as this short wig, I just feel like I can't get it right to not feel like I'm like, you know, older. So I've tried to move it to the side, but I feel like no matter how much I try to move it to the side, I still see like some people, I got a few people in my head that I see that I'm like, makes me feel like an old woman, you know, a snatched old woman, but an old woman. But if you guys like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't, you know, do the same thing as well. I will be showing you guys how it looks straight out the packaging, the unboxing process, as well as me trying to style it to my liking, and just kind of figuring, there wasn't any style that I just was like, oh, I love that style, or I feel like I wanted to wear my hair like that. Maybe I have to keep playing with it a little bit more, but as of right now, I'm just kind of like on the fence with it. But if you guys like it, you guys let me know. So I hope to see you guys in my next video.
Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah. Your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, Your love be like no. Your love be like whoa. Your love be like I don't wanna see your face no more. That you're on the dance floor. I don't wanna see your face no more. That you're on the dance floor. I don't wanna see your face no more. That you're on the dance floor. I don't wanna see your face no more. That you're on the dance floor. If you keep dancing like that, meet me at the jewelry store. I'm gonna wipe you up. If you keep dancing like that, meet me at the jewelry store. I'm gonna wipe you up. If you keep dancing like that, meet me at the jewelry store. I'm gonna wipe you up.